We are making Velveeta cheese dip.
You're not gonna do that, sorry. You did that.
Why?
That sounded like your call-in sex doll thing.
Really? I sound like a call-in sex doll?
Like a sex worker, phone sex worker, like a...
1-800.
Yeah.
Shauna.
You're like,
So not sexy. Anyways, we're making Velveeta cheese dip.
Rita.
Shut up! I'm filming! We're making Velveeta cheese dip for dinner. And then, what do we plan on doing, babe? We plan on... What are we doing?
Bike ride.
Bike ride. Immediately after eating Velveeta cheese dip. Probably not the best plan, but we're gonna check it out.
And my legs are fine. It's my hands.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, We're we can drive away. Oh yeah.
I want to take a picture of this one. Works. They work.
I know, we missed them. There were some seals. I don't know where they went. We heard them.
Yeah, we heard
them.
I can't tell if that's a rock or not. It's moving. That one over there? It could be the water against the wall. Rock.
I don't know.
I think I see the one over there. Where'd they go?
Yeah. Oh, I never make it through that light. Whoops. Oh my gosh, let's go. Totally slow. All right, guys, we're gonna end the vlog right here. We are almost home. It was a gorgeous night bike ride. Temperature was amazing. Sunset was gorgeous. Caught some action. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, ring our bell so you never miss one. Catch us if you can. How's the ride, babe?
Cold.
Cold?
Yep.
You are such a baby, such a wimp all the time.
Cold.
We always have to come home so early because this dude right here decides to wear shorts and he can't hang with the cold.
My legs are fine.
Oh
My
yeah?
hands and my ears.
I'll get some gloves. You big baby. Take me back to East Atlanta, oh na na. My heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Havana, oh na na.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Back it up, people.
Back it up.
Not that back there.
I still see you. I still see you. Right there. That's where it ends, at the arrow. Alright, it's gonna be me, you, Chris, and Mom.
I don't know, I gotta check it. Dude, you and your wedgies. Seriously, like 100 wedgie shots every video.
I only did 5 wedgies.